ride the Jungle Cruise with me. We're here at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World riding the Jungle Cruise, except this version is called the Jingle Cruise because the holidays are nearly upon us. So, ho ho, hold on to your Santa hats because the dad jokes coming at you are gonna be pretty cringe. There's a story about Walt Disney that gets retold a lot. I don't know if it's actually true, but the story goes like this. Walt was walking around the park one day and he overheard a kid ask his mom to ride the Jungle Cruise, and the kid's mom said, "No, we did that ride last time. Let's do something else." This supposedly changed Walt's entire outlook on how Disneyland should be built and that it should always be growing and expanding. The ride is not a totally unique idea. In fact, all of the scenes from the Jungle Cruise are based on Disney's True Life adventure series that was produced by Walt Disney himself, which is one of the reasons that a lot of people think that Walt Disney's personality really went into this ride. Let's talk Easter eggs. Near the hippo pool, you'll see the back half of a crashed airplane. The front half of that same plane was used on the Great Movie Ride over in Hollywood Studios. It was in the Casablanca scene. It's not there anymore. If you pay really close attention as you're floating by and you look at the back half of the half, you might see a hidden Mickey dented into the metal. You can also see a hidden Minnie right before you exit the temple. Look over to the right, there are some columns and one of them is crumbling, and it's in that crumbling column that you might be able to see that hidden Minnie. Speaking of the temple, my favorite special effect is in the temple. It's the glowing eyes. And when I found out what this effect was, I was like, what? That's so simple. All it is marbles painted with reflective coating. Cool, right? Have a great ride. Enjoy the 8th wonder of the world, and if you enjoy this video, my name is Drew with the Disney Rabbit Hole, and if you don't enjoy this video, my name is Bob with 2 O's, and I'm with Document Disney.
Shower occasionally. Now one more, y'all. Watch red, watch your step, and use that handrail. And if you will sit right down that magic square. Thank you. Welcome aboard. Come on board. Come on board. On second thought, don't come on board. Come on, excited. We're going to have a great time out there today. You know what they say, it's better to be overexcited than overboard. Looks like we're getting a few more friends. You make sure you slide all the way down. You know, the family that sits together sticks together. Yeah, it's Florida after all. It's very humid here, even though it's December. Yeah. Great. Yeah, but welcome aboard, y'all. Looks like you have just about everybody, so please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat for our entire journey today. And parents, please watch your children. And with that, we are just about cleared, so we're getting out of here now. Please make goodbye to the dog.
First family Christmas.
Oh wait, that's kind of awkward, isn't it? Actually, let's say goodbye to all the nice people on the dog. Don't be rude, maybe goodbye to all the naughty ones too. Bye, kids. Yeah, wait, like you're never gonna see any of those people ever again. Then again, you probably never saw them before, unless that's your family out there, then you're welcome. You get a 10-minute break. Anyways, I just want to take this time to welcome you to the world famous Jingle Cruise, where we're famous around the world for being, well, world famous. My name's Emma, and I'm going to be your skipper on our journey today. And we are starting our journey out in the Amazon River. Out here in the Amazon rainforest, it does rain 365 days a year, and some years, if we're lucky, it rains every single day. Yeah, in case you missed it, it does in fact rain every single day here. Yeah, it's actually kind of a lot. But we're here at Inspiration Falls. People do ask us all the time, why do you call it that? Well, it's because if you stare at it long enough, it will inspire you to go. Christmas caroling, it'll inspire you to go Christmas caroling. Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise. No. Oh goodness, yeah, that was awkward. That was so embarrassing for me. Oh goodness, thanks a lot for that, guys. You know, I'm just kidding. We're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the Congo River. We're gonna see just how far we can go today. Do I have any fans of the Jungle Book though? Great. Well, if you missed it, we do have you covered. It's right there, live action in 3D, and it's your lucky day. It's totally a box set. Yeah, you know, we only keep the bare necessities here in the jungle. Yeah, but now we're headed out towards boat space and bikes. Here you actually can rent page and get either the deluxe paddle or the base paddle. It's really either or though. Look at all that food up there and those decorations. They must be throwing a holiday party. Merry Fishmas! Happy Veronica! Have a great canoe year! They're having so much fun. Oh, and look at that. Somebody's getting a really old tree for Christmas. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top and everything. Love it. Oh my goodness, it's a blowout sale. Look at all those holiday shoppers up there. They're really going bananas. monkey wrench. They totally got my Jeep to turn over. That was so kind of them. But they left the lights on. Well, now we're headed out to the Nile River, which is actually the longest river in the world. Yeah, it just keeps going for Nile. And 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 Nile. If you don't believe me, you're probably in
Denial.
you're in a boat. Yeah, this thing that you are in is a boat. That's good. You know, the Nile is actually kind of hard to navigate this year because the strongest mule tide. You might have noticed these elephants on either side of the boat. Yeah, you know, they've been causing all kinds of trouble this year. We keep telling them that they're not careful, they're going to land on the naughty list. They are in denial about that. But here we have the famous Jingle Bell Rock. Yeah, you know, some people take it for granted, but I just love to sit and marvel at it. Personally, I think it's one of our bolder attractions here. Yeah. But here on the African belt, it looks like there are a lot of animals saved. Got some really tall reindeer, some new reindeer, some small reindeer. Oh, and look at that, some really old reindeer. They're still black and white. Oh, look at that one right there, pretending to be asleep to avoid the extended family. We're gonna let him rest in peace there. And up here, up next, we have, oh my goodness, wow, that's a lot going on, a lot happening, a lot to unpack. Wow, you know, I do not think those guys are making it over the holidays. Probably not. Sir, I usually just drink popcorn, but I guess that's a personal choice I make. You know, this is what happens if you don't remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. But it's super good. It's his first day and probably his last. I tried my very, very, very best to tell him what a rhino. Anyways, here we have Smiley and Ginger. And look, they decorated. That's adorable. Yeah, they have stockings and everything. Too cute. And you know, they've been so good this year. So good that me and all the other skippers, we decided to all pull together. You know what they've always wanted for Christmas? A cross pot. Yeah, they're gonna love it. Oh my goodness, we're not gonna get, okay, everybody leave, we are not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it. Oh, we made it. Wow, it really touched go there for a second. For a moment there, I really thought that I was about to deck the balls with the folks I'm calling. Yeah, la 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 la. Oh goodness. Now you're probably wondering, Skipper, how on earth did you land this job? Well, it's actually pretty plain to see in TikTok, of course, I've been winging it ever since. That is kind of the tale of the bad story though, because my career never really seemed to take off. I blame it on all the flights being grounded. Oh look, hippos! Wow, that's so exciting. That's so weird though. I really thought that only elephants had trunks. You know, I did ask for hungry hippos for Christmas this year. I guess they should have been a little bit more specific on my list though. But don't worry, I'll totally scare away. I'll do the same way I scared away my last boyfriend actually. Yeah. I love you! Do you want to go out for the holidays with me? You can be my parents! You'll never hear from them again. Never, ever, ever, ever again. Anyway, so some people like say that my job is so easy and like you can do it. Well, folks, are gonna tell you those are chimpanzees and there is a difference. Yeah, but they're super cute, just kind of hanging in there, doing their own thing. Yeah, you know, nothing ever really seems to bug those guys. Oh, look at those out there catching butterflies. You know, I tried to go butterfly catching one time, but all I caught out there was a cold. Yeah, that was not the greatest. I did not enjoy it. Yeah, but you know, I will tell you, right now those butterflies, they're just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah, they're not caterpillars anymore. My name is Howard, head up towards the entire reaching. As you hear, it is over. We got all the JINGLE Cruise. We've got the wonderful, the beautiful, the amazing, the super duper exciting Ace Wonder of the world. The backside of water! Woo! O-2-8, 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 O-2-8. You know, go backside of water, O-2-8. Well, you know, we were going to show you the backside of the Exxon, but we could not find a gingerbread tree big enough to go with it, so we had to improvise. Yeah. But you know, now we're on the Mekong River. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this before in my entire life. I don't know what this is. But I see presents. You know, this could be Santa's top secret workshop. Yeah, we're totally gonna go, and that's gonna be so much fun. Oh wait. Oh goodness. Well, let's see. Let's turn around. Here we go. relevant bathing pool. If you want to take pictures, feel free. They all have their trunks on today. And they're very classy like that. Oh, and look at those guys. You know, all they want for Christmas is their cute trunk team. Oh, and look at that one there. Yeah, he's playing under a full moon. It's adorable. Oh my goodness, not that kind of shower, not that kind of shower, not that kind of shower. Oh, yeah, I asked him to shower with the presents at the end of this. I thought it'd be fun, but he doesn't ever listen to me. He never listens to me. Not you too. Absolutely not. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you know, people do ask me all the time, is that water coming out of their trunks? And I tell them it's not. I mean, this is one of my favorite parts of the journey. The part where I get to point out some of my very, very, very favorite plants here in the jungle. Yeah, I just love those. Aren't they great? Yeah, they're really near and dear to my heart. Oh, wait. Were y'all expecting names for those plants? Oh, goodness. I guess I could share those. So up there we got a little bit of hibiscus. Down there, that's a little bit of low hibiscus. In the water there, so the sea hibiscus. And back there, it's a little bit hard to see, but right back there, that's actually none of your hibiscus. That's why it's hard to see. Anyways, we made it up to the gift shop. During today's time, please let us know we're great at capsizing. Now we are headed up to the dock, so please do remain safe with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. So we're going to be fully complete stop with their parents. Please watch your children. And you know, we do have to make sure you go out the same door you came in through. Don't try to cross those crates. Not a very great idea. And you know, you guys, y'all been absolutely outstanding today. But in a moment here, I am going to need you to be outstanding on the dock. So please, pretty please, if you will, please make like Santa and leave my presents. Oh, pretty applause. You shouldn't have. Watch your set. You say brilliant. Get out. Oh my goodness, where are my manners? My southern hospitality. Please, y'all, get out. Have a great night. Watch your set, and use that. Happy holidays.